Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee at home. To start, always choose fresh, high-quality coffee beans. Grinding them right before brewing makes a huge difference in flavor. Remember to measure your coffee and water precisely for a consistent taste every time. Also, keeping your brewing equipment clean is essential for a great cup. There are many ways to brew, each offering a unique experience. Drip coffee makers are fantastic for a quick, easy cup. If you prefer a richer, more robust flavor, a French press is an excellent choice. For those who enjoy exploring subtle notes, pour-over methods truly shine. And of course, espresso machines deliver that intense, concentrated shot. The quality of your water significantly impacts taste, so always use filtered water. Your grind size is also crucial. A coarse grind is perfect for a French press. For drip coffee makers, a medium grind works best. If you're making espresso, you'll need a very fine grind to extract those rich flavors properly. To truly elevate your home coffee, store beans in an airtight container away from light. Preheating your mug helps keep your coffee warmer for longer enjoyment. Don't be afraid to experiment with different coffee-to-water ratios, like 1:16, to find your perfect strength. A tiny pinch of salt can even reduce bitterness in your brew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.